Hi there, students. Outstanding. Okay, outstanding is an adjective with two different meanings. And with one of them, you can also use the adverb outstandingly. Well, firstly, something that's outstanding is much, much better than everything else. So that was an astounding piece of work. It was outstanding. Yeah. This is an area of outstanding natural beauty. That's definitely a collocation in English. Outstanding natural beauty. So something that's really excellent. Also, something that's outstanding is something that hasn't been done yet. You could have an outstanding debt, or I still have several pieces of work outstanding. I promised to buy you lunch, but that lunch is still outstanding. I still haven't done it. And that's the idea. Now, outstandingly, only with the good meaning, that's outstandingly good. Yeah, it's really amazingly good. So, outstanding, unpaid. So there are several bills outstanding. Something that continues to exist, that hasn't been resolved. So there are several outstanding problems. They continue to exist. He has several warrants for his arrest outstanding. Okay, they're still valid. They haven't been finished with. They haven't been resolved. And you can also use this word outstanding in finance to talk about the number of shares outstanding in a company. This is the number of shares that are in circulation, that are owned by the shareholders. And then we have outstanding, conspicuously good. So there are some outstanding difficulties to this problem. There are some outstanding exceptions, and then really, really good, something marked by distinction. He's an outstanding student. He has reached an outstanding level of achievement. Okay, so this is the idea of outstanding. Excellent, or not done yet, not discharged yet. Conspicuous, noticeable. There are several outstanding features to this product, very noticeable. Something that's still in existence, long outstanding problem, a long outstanding debt. Yeah, I've still got several essays outstanding. Yeah. And I hope some of those essays are going to be outstandingly good. Okay, so superior, prominent, unsettled, shares issued, and that's effectively the idea of outstanding. Something that's either really good, it's excellent, it's very fine, it's impressive, it's distinguished, it's prominent. Or something that's conspicuous, striking, remarkable, memorable, eye-catching, an area of outstanding natural beauty. And then unpaid, due, still owing, pending. There is outstanding work to do. And then undone, omitted, unfinished, incomplete. The outstanding work will be finished tomorrow, and then you can pay the outstanding bill. Okay, so outstanding. He's outstanding in his generation. All of this effectively comes from the phrasal verb to stand out. Something that stands out is something that's is prominent or very noticeable. What stands out about this is the strange colour that it has. Maybe something stands out because it's especially good, and it distinguishes itself from other things by its superiority. So it's amazing. This picture stands out from the others. And then something that stands out, something that's prominent as well. This is a feature that stands out from the wall. And I guess, yes, this still stands out. It still hasn't been done. It's still not settled. Yeah, so an unsettled debt as well. So outstanding. How formal is outstanding? I think I'd give this a 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. This is an outstanding piece of work. That's definitely a 5 in formality. This bill is outstanding. I think I'd probably give that a 6 in formality. I think I might say this bill is due. It's unpaid, but still use that meaning of outstanding anywhere as well. And then as to origin, well, as I said, to stand out. The verb to stand comes from the Proto-Germanic standana, to stand. Okay, so that's very easy. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. It would be absolutely outstanding if you did so. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Outstanding. I hope this video was outstanding and not just ordinary.